Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And we're going to open some
Another One Piece Volume 2, the best.
Volume 2. Hindi makita. So, yan. Sige. Okay kang magbukas.
Wait, bubuksan ba tayo?
Ayaw nga. Tanong, bubuksan ba o itatago panghabang buhay? At ang sagot?
We're gonna open it.
Bubuksan.
Because it's in a video.
Guntingin mo siguro. Para meron tayong matagong pack.
Are you sure?
Oh,
Means where's your hits?
ano?
It means where's your hits, you know?
No,
Like
hindi rin.
before.
Kakataon lang. Oop. Okay. Go. Dahan-dahan ang pakita. Wait.
Oh, look.
Kailangan natin ng
Sleeves.
sleeves. Perfect and standard sleeves.
Oh, then. Wait, what's the white things in the back?
Ano yan? Parang leader card yan.
Kosuken Oden. Is this the correct way? Gear for Luffy. We already got this in the first pack we opened.
Layo mo ng konti kasi malabo.
Fleet Admiral.
Layo mo ng konti para makita. Yan.
Another Fleet Ab. Are they just either the same person? Yo! Lightning God.
Imo. Imo ba to? Ano to?
Roanoa
Pangalan
Shoro.
nun?
Cool.
Oh!
Super Ace Sanji. Of course, Shoro and Sanji would be there. They will be fighting. And
Ano yung nakita ko kanina?
maybe
Yan ba yung nakita ko? Secret Rare.
common.
Okay, wala tayong hit.
But where's the
Hindi, ito
secret
yung hit
rare?
eh. Ito yung hit. Si Sanji yung hit.
How about this German 60s?
Yeah.
Wait, it's English!
English? No, it's not English.
Look, German 66.
Uncommon lang to. And ito is common. Common na ano.
I think it's guaranteed to have a super rare. But it's a lesser chance to get a secret rare.
So, yun lang, no?
Why is the common and
Halo,
uncommon
common,
so
and
rare?
halo.
Why is the common and uncommon look like different?
Yun lang, di ko alam.
It
So,
looks like this is English.
Isang,
Look,
isang super rare,
German
isang
66.
rare. Alright?
It
That's
looks
it.
like this is English.
No, that's not English. Japanese yan eh. Anyway, ito lang hit natin. So, that's it. Bye-bye.
Wait,